Hey my friends, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your go-to channel for the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R3, a bike that's been making waves for its perfect blend of performance, style, and practicality in the lightweight supersport segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha R3 builds on its striking predecessor with sharper aesthetics and aerodynamic refinements. Inspired by its larger siblings, the Roan and R7, the R3 features aggressive dual LED headlights, a sleeker front fairing, and improved wind deflection. The revamped design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to better high-speed stability. Available in new color schemes, including a bold metallic blue and matte black, the R3 commands attention on the road. Angel and performance. At the heart of the R3 lies its reliable 321XC liquid-cooled tin-cylinder engine, tuned for smoother power delivery and increased mid-range torque. The engine produces 42 horsepower, paired with a lightweight chassis for a thrilling riding experience. With its updated ride-by-wire throttle and improved fuel mapping, the 2025 R3 offers precise control whether you're carving through corners or cruising on highways. Technology and features. Yamaha has equipped the 2025 R3 with cutting-edge features to elevate the ride. The bike now comes with a fully digital TFT display, offering clear and customizable readouts. Riders can also enjoy optional Bluetooth connectivity for call and music alerts. The addition of a slipper clutch and adjustable suspension enhances both performance and comfort, making it ideal for city commutes and weekend track sessions. Braking and safety. The braking system on the R3 has been upgraded with larger discs and ABS as standard, ensuring confidence-inspiring stopping power. Yamaha's inclusion of traction control in this year's model further enhances safety, especially in slippery conditions. Price and availability. Yamaha has priced the 2025 R3 competitively, making it an excellent value in the lightweight supersport category. While prices vary by region, it's expected to hit dealerships worldwide in early 2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R3 continues to set the benchmark in its class. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and thrilling performance, it's a perfect choice for both novice riders and seasoned enthusiasts. For more updates on the latest motorcycles, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Updater Pro and stay ahead of the curve. Ride safe, and see you next time.